Hi children, today topic is multiplication by a two-digit numbers. Before class I explained about the multiplication three-digit number, four-digit number we are multiplying with the single-digit number. But the same way we have to do this method, it will be same, but that we will use only one-digit multiplier place. In this method, in multiplier place, we have to use two-digit number. How to do the multiplication process I will explain. See once. For example, see whatever it will be. First properties of multiplication I explained. In that we are using last sixth one. It will be is a distributive property. See in the distributive property how he is there, that by the same way we have to do multiplication of these two-digit numbers. See, but it will be a long process. Some are it will be confusing. Direct method multiplication what we did in one-digit number and with the four-digit number, same way I explain. See, for example, 46 into 22. See, for example, 46 into 2. See here, what is the difference between first example and second examples means here multiplicand is two-digit number, multiplier also two-digit number. But see here, in this second example, multiplicand is two-digit number, multiplier is one-digit number. See, before class I explained this process. See, one more time I am repeating here. 4 and 46, you can arrange these numbers in column method. Then we have to use we have to see product. Then see here we require here two table. Then multiply here. Then on this multiplication from ones place onwards to the continuing. Then see here 2 6 are 12. See children, here only we multiplied ones place, but we have got here two-digit number. Two-digit number means what? Ones and tens place. Both it will be is there. We can't do that. See, in this process we have to go to, then whatever we got the product, whatever we here in table 2 6 and 12 we got first digit ones place digit you can write down. The second place digit is carry forward to the before number. Before number is what? 4. 4 is a which place? That is the 10th place. Okay, children. Next it will be see here. Again 6 over. Then 4 to ja 8. 10th place we have to multiply now. 4 to ja 8. See, 8 is there. Upon 4 1 is there. That it will be carry. Carry should always we have to add. Carry always we have to add. 9 plus 1 is a 9. That 9 we have to be out. Then 92 we got. This 92 answer we will call product. 92 is a product. Okay, see, by the same way this process is two-digit number with a one-digit number. But see here multiplicand is there, but in multiplier place I extend one value. How to one digit? Then it will be is a whatever he gave. We have to arrange in column method. In this we are applying multiplication symbol. See here we required here compulsory two digits only, two tables only. Okay, it will be easy to first ones place is two table only, tens place also it will be two only. See here first ones place you have to take. Don't multiply the tens place value in multiplier place. First we have to start 10 ones place onward. Okay, ones place it will be 2, 2 6 are 12. Again we got here 2 6 are 12. Then we have to take this ones place what I told. This ones place we have to write down. Then this one is carry forward to the before number. Okay, next this ones place 6 over. Then we have to here ones place to tens place. 2 4 ja 8. 8 carry 1 is there. We should add compulsory add. We will then here we can make. Okay, next one. See, whatever should be ones place over. Then this one ones place you have to write 0. Ones place completed. That's why in the whatever we got the product only with one digit. Then ones place you have to write 0 or you can keep multiplication symbol. 0 we have to keep 0 or we can keep multiplication symbol. We can keep 0 or multiplication symbols. See here. Next, already this ones place it will be over, then cut it. Already we added first carry, then ones place whatever we multiplied with carry we added, just leave it, cut it, because of confusion will get again. See here, the next one tens place we can start. See, don't multiply tens place to tens place. Tens place to tens place don't multiply. Compulsory we have to start it again from ones place onwards. We have to start it from ones place onwards. This should be again it will be 2 6 are 12. 2 6 are 12. Again we got 2. We have to write here. 1 is carry forward to the before number. See children, whenever first I carry, I added, I cut. Because of like this carry will come, we will get confusion. If you are not adding means we will get some confusion. Only we got here 1. In another different multiplications it will come here 2 something it will come. That's why just cut it. Cut it means what? Already we added. Already carry that carry we added to the before number only. Then it will be again. See 2 to 1's place over, then 2 to 10's place. 2 4's are 8. Again this carry is there. Then 10's place carry should be 9. Here we can add it. Then just cut it. Okay. Then after we got here 2 table 1's place 2 table product we got, 10's place 2 product we got. What we have to do means what? After this we have to do these both. Only whatever should be 2 lines in between the 2 lines numbers we have to add. See, whenever we are multiplying should be compulsory we have to write order wise. See 9 down, 1 number to 1 number down only exactly we have to drop. Next we have to do addition after product. See, why we are addition means then this one is the product multiplication is a repeated addition. Multiplication is a repeated addition, that's why we have to add. See here 2. See again 9 plus 2 is 11. Don't write here 11. We don't write here 11. Again only ones place we have to one place number we are adding. Only one digit only we have to write here. Then second digit is carry forward to the before number. First one we have to write here. Second number is carry forward to the before number. Say 9 plus 1 is 10. See, whenever it will be before number is there, you can write here 0. Say this one carry before number is there? No. Then if number is not there, then total you can write here. See how much we got? 1012. Then that one what we will call product. Product it will be 1012. This is the process. Okay children. Next this one is 1 digit number multiplication. This is this 2 digit number multiplication. 2 digit number multiplication. One more example I will explain. See children. Whenever one multiplying, be careful. First tables we have to compulsory. Learn the tables and you will get clear. See next one. Third example. 58 into 32. Multiplication. See here 3 table 2 table. If take more table also no problem. But here 58 into 32. 58 is a multiplicand. 32 is a multiplier. Place here 58 into 32. See children here multiplication same process you have to do from the start ones place onwards. 2 8 is 16. Same 16 we got 2 digit number, 1 digit number. First digit we have to write here. The second digit is carried forward to the before number, that is a 5 tens place. That is carried forward to the before number is what? That is a tens place number. Again we have to go to the 2 5s are 10. 2 5s are 10. Carry is how much is there? Plus 1. It will be 11. Before number is that there, then carry. Now this carry we added here. Just cut it this carry. Okay. Next one. We multiplied 2 table 58. We got 116. Okay. Next one it will be. We have to take 3 table. Okay. 3 table means it will be don't take directly tens place. Because of it will be some students will confuse. This is the 3 table is Tens place is there, again we have to start from tens place. That is not correct way. Compulsory should start at ones place onwards. We can't directly, we can't one first step whenever we are hiding the, we have to one by one we can steps we have to do. Then 3 8s are 24. 3 8s are 24. These 4 we have to write down. Then 2 is carry forward to the before number. See children, before some I explain about these two carries. See in this some students will get confused. If we are here cutting means we got here this completed. Some students will confuse. If you are not cutting directly, 2 is there. Some are won't write. Some won't write carry because of carry is there. That's why we have to remove this. We will get the second carry will come. That is here same means we will get confused. This is 1 is there, this is 2 is there. That's why no problem. But we have to cut means better. Then here 5 3s are 15 we got. 15 here carry 2 is there. 15 plus 2 is a 17. Okay children, 15 plus 2 is a 17. Now 17 directly we have to write here because of next before number is not there. See I told arrange to the number wise number. Here what I told here means where ones place completed means we can keep 0 or multiplication symbol. Then after product what we have to do? Multiplication, addition. Because of multiplication is a repeated addition. Here 6, 4 plus 1 5, 7 plus 1 8, 1. Product how much should be we got? Is 1856. 1856. This process is, it will be very careful. This 2-digit number whenever we are multiplying, very careful because of only the confusion will get that carrying, addition of carrying will get. Immediately we were adding that number when we are cross it, we will get that is completed, that carry completed, addition is over. That be careful. It will. Okay, thank you children. Next class I explain about the 3-digit number into 2-digit number multiplication. I explain this process. Very careful practice some more sums. Okay, thank you.